How to add clickable link in Canva. So hi guys, first things first, we need to open our browser, log into our Canva account, and if you don't have one, just sign up. Don't worry, it's for free. All right, now here we can see our different types of options, like what we're gonna do for Canva. If you want to make a presentation, by the way, you can actually use their free templates. Let's take a look at one example template that they have here. So here, they have example templates that you can make use of. However, for this video, I will be making use of a template that I have already done in the past. So I will be just clicking on the For You section, and let's go scroll down a bit more. Okay, now we can see here our template that we've made in the past. So I've made this for a vlog actually, but let's make it for, or let's make a use for this one, for this video. Okay, now let's just wait for it to load. Basically, there are actually 5 pages in this template. However, we'll just make use of one of the templates that we have here. Here, you can see like the different templates. Okay. All right, now let's make use of this templates or this page, basically. Now, if in this video, I would like to add my Instagram link to this page. So first off, let's add an element. So here in this section, we can actually add like different graphic elements, even like movable or animated graphics. You can find it in this section. All right, it is found in the left-hand side of our Canva page. Now let's click on Instagram. We actually have Instagram buttons already, but to just make you see like the different types of designs or all of the designs for Instagram, right there. So since we have black as a background, let's change the color and let's make use of a lighter pink shade. Okay, there you have it. Perfect. Now let's just resize the Instagram button here. All right. And position it wherever you want to place it. There. Okay, now let's add a text this time. So click on text. It's just like 2 buttons below elements. So here we can add a heading, add a subheading, and add a little bit of the body text. So since I'll be using just a very small text, I'll be clicking on add a little body of text. All right. Now here we have our text. Let's just type in our Instagram username. So there I have my Instagram username. Let's position it beside the Instagram button. Okay. Now here, if you're not satisfied with the font, then you could actually change your font style. All right. And there are some here below as well. All right. So I think it takes time to load. So perhaps let's just make use of the last font that we have had here, which was Jonathan, I guess. Right. Okay. So here, let's use Jonathan for this template. All right. And let's resize it. So beside the font style, you can see the resize button for your font. Okay, and let's position it beside the Instagram button. All right. Okay, there you have it. Now, next one is we click on effects because I would like to add a like background for my text. All right. Actually, there are different styles for the effects. Like for example, there is the background. There's also neon here. There's also like the glitch and the others above. But as for this video, I will be using the background. So I don't want my background to be that round. Let's change the color first because we can't see black. All right. Let's have a shade of pink. Okay, there. Let's have the other one. Okay. All right. There you have it. Now, let's tone down the roundness since I want it square as well as the spread. And also, let's tone a bit of the transparency so that it will have a lighter shade. Okay. But if you want your background to be round, you could actually click or go to the hundredth to make it rounder and also spread it out to make it wider. All right. So there. Let's just make our text a bit wider. There you have it. Okay. So once done editing, let's click on our text. And here above, you can see a link button. All right. So there's like two loops intertwined. That's the link button. So click on that one. Let's go to our Instagram page first and copy the link of our Instagram profile. So here and copy. Now, once done copying, simply paste the link and click on enter. All right. So here we have it. So now next thing that we need to do is to download our page. So let's click a different file type. Let's choose PDF standard instead, and let's untick all the boxes that we will be not using for this one. So let's untick 2, 3, 4, and 5 and click on done. Now, once done, download it. And let's just wait for the file to be downloaded. All right, there you have it. So we have our file or PDF successfully downloaded already. So let's click on that one. So here we have our PDF ready. Let's take a look if our link works. So just simply click on the text and there you have it. We will be routed to our Instagram page. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!